Hi, my name is Malak. I'm going to be talking about the sea. The sea can hurt a bit because if it would move like it's controlling itself, it would hit you and it can hurt a lot. Mostly you can also die in water, and I like water because I get to swim, and I also like swimming too. And that's one reason why I like water. Mostly, I don't much know if everything alive here likes water and insects can die in water. The most reason I like the water is because I get to stay on the beach, and the most beautiful thing I like that is like birds flying around the sea, the water I mean. And I get to like build a castle in the like sand, and like the sand is very soft, and just like under the sand you can see like these shells, and then you get to hear the water inside the shells. And where were we now? By talking about the sea. And mostly what I like best is, like just touching the water in the beach. And yeah. And so yeah. And what my sister said is the same. I also like when owls fly around the sea all the time. And it's so fun to look at them in the water, because to watch them fly when you're in the water. So hi guys, subscribe to my channel and a big thumbs up. I'm going to be talking about how the sun burns you. So the sun, like when you walk, the sun like follows you, and like when you don't put sunscreen, like the sun burns you, and then you become very red and itchy. So you must put cream if you want to go swimming. Next you can like swim, but first put sunscreen. If you want to go swimming in your pool, if you have one, you can go in it. So yeah. So yeah, that's all my sister said for now. And I'm going to be talking about something else. So I'm going to be talking about the the cold weathers. So the cold weathers where while you want to swim in the beach, you can never go to the beach in a cold weather because you'll be frozen cold in the water in the cold. So always go to the beach and take some stuff with you that maybe you need. Okay, and so the cold weathers are cold, which is you need some stuff to keep that cold. Sometimes I survive it. and the cold weather and snowy weather is the same. And if the rain and even the rain is the same. In the rain, it's windy. The storms, no. Well, probably I'm talking about the weathers. And yeah. A big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! To our channel, I mean.